So on this particular project, we're doing a combination of different erosion control solutions. 6 to 12 inch riprap is one solution, and then you have your shell here, which is called Sanibel wash shell, and that compacts down real nicely and doesn't really wash out. I mean, it creates just a nice ground cover. And then in addition to the shell and the riprap, we're also doing some littoral plants. Another word for that is aquatic plants, and we're doing a combination of aquatic plants and shell to try and make it look as natural as possible. So this is a unique project because we have so much ground to cover, and you don't always want to go with all of one aggregate or all of one shell. You can do a combination of different ones, and depending on how high the water level gets, determines what you want to use where. So you don't want your big rock up too high, you don't want your little rock down too low. It just takes expertise and know-how to know where to place everything and have it be successful in the long term.